Hello, sweet.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you tonight, sweet?
I'm fine.
Oh, why your voice is a little? What happened to your voice? You are good?
Yes,
Okay, so much that since you are good, are you ready to our class tonight?
yes.
Okay. So we are going to continue our lesson tonight, Chi, that we didn't finish. Yes, last week, right?
Yes,
So we stop here to our task. I think we are done task 2.
yes.
Okay, we are going to continue here. Oh no, we are done
Mm.
here. Okay, so task 4, sweet. We are going to continue our lesson in task 4. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so at this moment, sweet. So on our task 4, use appropriate past tense to talk about the last time you were. So we have here exhausted. Okay, please read. Number 1 is
Uh, um,
number 1 is exhausted.
um,
Can you hear me?
yeah,
Okay, so please read first. Number 1 is exhausted.
yeah. It's
Okay.
how's it?
Okay. Number 2 is
Amazing.
amazed.
Amazed.
3,
Bad temper.
4,
Disappoint.
disappointed.
Disappointed.
5,
Shocked. Upset.
upset.
Upset. Worry.
Okay, so this time you are going to use appropriate past tense to talk about last time you were. Example: I was exhausted because I'd been playing tennis all morning. I was exhausted because I'd had a really bad night's sleep. So, your task here, sweet, you are going to make a sentence using exhausted, amazed, bad-tempered, disappointed, shocked, upset, worried with the appropriate past tense. So when we say past tense, you're going to use the word was or were or been. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, please write your answer.
Oh, I write it. Yeah.
Yes, you can. If you want to write in the chat, you can write in the chat. Here. Wait, I'm going to chat you. Oh, okay. Do you see my message?
Yeah.
I was worried because I'd had a difficult test. Mhm. Okay, continue, sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's all?
Yeah.
Only two?
Yeah.
Okay. So I see your answer here. I was shocked because my mom had bought new cell phone for me. Wow, do you have a new cell phone?
Yeah.
Wow, iPhone 17?
No.
Okay, what kind of cell phone is that? It's iPhone?
Mm, no. Samsung.
Oh, wow, Samsung. I love Samsung.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Congratulations that you have a new phone. Why? Your mom bought you a new phone?
Because my old phone is broke.
Oh, because your old phone is broken. Wow. Congratulations. And how about your test? Why? You're worried because what kind of that test?
Uh, that is very difficult.
And what subject?
Um, mm, what?
Subject. It's
Math?
English. Oh, it's math.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree that one. Math is one of the difficult subject, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much, Sweet, for using these appropriate about shock and worried. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, this time, we are going to learn how to use the word used to and would. Okay, listen, because this is important. We use the word used to and would to talk about past habits and situations that were different in the past. So, meaning, sweet, we are going to use the words used to and would about past habits or past situation already done. Example, his family used to be extremely poor, meaning it's past. It's a situation or the past situation. When he was young, he spent time studying medicine. When he was young, he'd or spending time studying medicine. And then again, we use to or would when we say how long a past habit or situation instead. We use the past simple example. We went to college for 5 years. So you should be not he used to or would go to college for 5 years. Instead, you're going to use in the part two. Instead, you use he used to or would go to college for 5 years. You're going to use the word past simple present. He went to college for 5 years. And then we don't use would with the state verbs. We used to. He used to love reading. Okay. And we avoid using would with question and negative. We are not going to use would for asking question and making a negative sentences, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So again, sweet. We are going to use the word used to and would to talk about past habit and past situation that were different in the past. Example, his family used to be extremely poor. When he was young, he'd spend time studying medicine. He'd, because would or he would. Okay, next. We don't use, so we don't use used to, would, say how long past habit or situation. So we are not using used to or would if for the past simple. So we are going to use he went to college for 5 years. And we cannot use or we don't use also would with state verbs and used to. He used to love reading. And we are going to avoid using would with question and negatives. Okay? Do you want to write?
Mm, I have some 10 seconds.
Okay. Write the important words.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now look out. These structures, never used to and would never, are common and negative form. So, the use word of never used to and would never are common and negative form. Example, I never used to like Carrie. She would never come swimming with us. Okay, now, this time you're going to find the five, all the example of used to and would in the text. So, you're going to find the used to and would in the text. So you find this one. We are going to read first, okay? Listen to me. I'm going to read it first, and then after I read, you're going to follow to read.
Okay.
Physician,
Physician.
physician,
Physician. Physicians. A shower had a very unusual childhood. He didn't used to play with toys like most children. Instead, he used to read a lot. He could read and write from the age of 2. And what did he use to read as a 5-year-old boy? Shakespeare. He also had a passion for
science,
science and would read everything he could buy about human anatomy.
anatomy,
Anatomy. He performed his first operation at the age of 7, twisting the badly burned heads of a young girl whose family couldn't afford medical care. His operation was filmed and posted on YouTube, leading to worldwide fame for a third. At the age of 12, he was accepted into the medical university, becoming the youngest person ever to achieve this in India. He studied there for several years and hoped one day to go to Harvard University. He is currently trying to find a cool admission.
Okay, now this time, sweet, you're going to find all the words used to and would in the text. Okay, we'll give you one example. Didn't used to play. Used to. Okay,
Right.
now find the other, sweet.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. He used to read a lot. He used to read, would read everything. Very good. Very good. Okay, so you found all the words with a used to and would. Sweet. Congratulations. So first is number one is example. He used to read a lot. And what did he used to read? And he would read everything. Very good. Mhm. Okay, now this time is sweet. So in our task 6, complete the sentences with the correct form of used to or would in which sentences is either possible. Okay, we'll give you one example. Number one, he used to work as journalist for a science magazine.
Okay.
Okay, please answer the five. Okay. Years ago, they used to go. Used to. Did or didn't she use? Oh, because the word here, she wear. Used to follow, would follow. Okay. The one number is used to. That actor, yes, is used to. Because used to have really long hair. Did she wear glasses before she became a model? Lots of people. I okay. So your answer here, number six, is supposedly never use or never used to accept. Your answer is correct, but is in order. Used to never accept. Okay, so okay, I will give you here 3/6. Okay, now let's proceed here. So in our task 7, sweet, decide if the highlighted words in the text below are correct or incorrect. Correct any mistake in your notebook using the correct form of used to or would, or the past simple where either is possible. So the question, the task here is with, you are going to correct or incorrect the highlighted words. So the highlighted, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 highlighted word. And then you are going to correct any mistake in your notebook that if that word is used to or would. Example, this one, number one, used to have. So it is correct. And then, how about this one? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If number 2 is not correct, you're going to write there, not correct or incorrect. And then you're going to write the correct answer. Okay? Go, sweet. Okay, now what is the answer or what is the correct word of not incorrect or not correct? Number two, not correct. Very good. Used to own. So
Yeah.
meaning not correct. Number three is correct. Number four, not correct. Enjoyed. Yes, not correct. So I'm going to say that one. If this one is incorrect, so you're going to change the word. Used to own. Okay, you're still correct because you know that is incorrect. Okay,
Yeah.
number four is your answer not correct. So enjoyed. Enjoy. Number five, very good, not correct. You have your answer here?
Đấy, các bạn đúng mà tính đó. Tức Nga.
Trời
Nga gì
ơi,
vậy?
không.
Lại nè, nói lại nè.
Okay. Okay, so sweet. So you get here the correct answer that this highlighted words number two is incorrect. So the correct answer here is used to own. And number three is correct. And number four is not correct. So the word here is enjoy. And number five is lasted. Not correct. Lasted. Okay, and number six, this one is used to be. Used to be. Okay, you're still correct because your answer is not correct. Okay, number seven is correct. Very good. So you get here how many score? You get 6/6. Okay, yeah. Okay, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So you got here 6/6 sweet. So congratulations. Now let's proceed to our next part of our lesson. Okay, wait, let me see how many slides. Okay, we still have two slides and then we are done. Okay, in task two, sweet, complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in a bracket. Do not change the order of the words. You can add up three other words. Example, Gary used to want to be a vet. Okay, so you're going to answer the five sentences only here. Okay.
Yeah.
You used to have. Okay, did you used to have? Didn't used to. Didn't use. You would to. Didn't she? Would let. Okay. Okay, so now I want you to read this one sweet. I wait,
Alright.
wait. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna score you first. So as I can see here, uh, so I'm gonna consider here because you forget how to, you didn't write or include did. So, but you still write you used to have, and also here didn't use. You forget to use the word to. Okay, and he would do. And this one is didn't and would, so you get here one, two, three, four. Get one mistake here because number one is example. Okay, please read sweet with the correct answer. Number one.
Gary used to want to be a vet. To when you were younger, did you used to have a favorite toy? Years ago, people didn't used to want to become celebrities
Celebrities.
celebrities as much as they do now. He was such a lazy student that he would do his homework 5 minutes before the class. Isn't that Ali? Didn't see you to be at your school? My parents would let me stay up late a weekend.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much for reading and answering these tasks. Sweet. So you got here 4/5 because number one is example. So you get only mistake number five. Okay, so this time, sweet. Think about when you were 5 or 6 years old. Talk about these things. You're going to use the word used to or would. So you're going to think about when you were 5 or 6 years old. So you're going to write about the things here. Example, I used to have a giant teddy bear that I really love. I will give you 1 minute to answer this one, Sweet. Sweet. Since it's already time, so can I take a screenshot this one and then this is your assignment or homework. This is
Yeah.
this is your homework since this is our last page, so it's going to serve you as homework. You're going to make this one in your home and then if you have a vacant time or free time, if you're not busy, you can answer this one and then send it to our GC and Zalo. Okay?
Yeah.
Because it's already time. So wait, I'm gonna take a screenshot first. Okay, so sweet. So it's time to say goodbye. And this is the last part of our lesson. So we are done to our grammar. And then this Friday, we will have our new lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Goodbye, sweet. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night.